What is up guys, Om here from iTech Everything and welcome to this new video. Today is iPhone 14 Plus launch day and the phone is finally here with me after a month of waiting after I ordered it on pre-order day. The order process was a bit rough. I had to first order it on my Mac, it didn't work, so I ordered it from my iPad. It took about 30 minutes, sorry, to get the order in, but anyways, it's finally here. This is hopefully one of the first unboxing videos on YouTube of the non-review unit iPhone 14 Plus. Surprisingly, this year there aren't many pre-orders for the iPhone 14 Plus. I can still get a launch day iPhone 14 Plus from my local Apple store and it will deliver in 2 hours. That's pretty weird. I mean, usually these iPhones sell out like hotcakes. But anyways, we're hoping the demand escalates over time. But right now, let's get our iPhone 14 Plus out of the box. And here we have it, the iPhone 14 Plus in the purple color. The purple color looks much more prominent in real life. I'll try to put a photo on top which depicts the real color. The video looks a bit more lilac, a bit more faint. But anyways, taking off the peel, here is the phone itself. Now let's talk about everything that's new in the iPhone 14. Plus there's not much, so we'll quickly go over everything. This is the first time we have the 6.7-inch size for cheaper. We only previously had the Pro Max model, which was $1,100 in the US and like 1,40,000 rupees in India. I got this one for 90,000 rupees in India, which is equivalent to $1,100. But this is available for $900 in the US. Anyways, this is the biggest battery life ever in an iPhone according to Apple. We also have eSIM only in the US, as well as emergency SOS via satellite in US and Canada. Then the other features are crash detection, which is nice. I hope I don't have to test that out. New selfie camera with autofocus. We also have an improved back camera, improved flash, and we have redesigned internals for better repairability. Anyways, we are taking out the clear case now out of the box. This is the official MagSafe clear case from Apple. Hopefully, this does not yellow as much over time. I paid 5,000 Indian rupees for this, so I hope I don't have to replace it anytime soon. Placing the phone inside the case, it feels perfect in my hand. I can use it with one hand without any issues. It's pretty comfortable for me. But again, I'm 6'1", so I'm speaking for myself here. You might want to go and check it out in an Apple store nearby to see how it feels in your hand. Anyways, now let's set up the rest of the phone and then I'll see you in the later half of this video in cinematic mode. Okay, before we end this video off, this is being shot on the iPhone 14 Plus with the new cinematic mode at 4K 30 FPS. Previously on the iPhone 13, this was only possible at 1080p 30 FPS. Now we have 4K 30 FPS and I also believe we have 4K 24 FPS. This is going to be really cool to see how it looks. I'm really excited to see that. Also, the audio you're hearing right now is also from the iPhone 14 Plus. I'll be making a long-term review on how the battery life pans out over the next month. I may or may not make that video, but it's likely I will. Anyways, right now, after using the iPhone 14 Plus for a couple of minutes, the iPhone 12 and 13 size is started to feel tiny. It almost feels like a mini phone right now. But yeah, the iPhone 14 Plus is kind of huge. I'm hoping the battery life, I'm hoping I can see the same for the battery life. Anyways, that's it for this one. Let me know how the cinematic mode looks and what you think about the iPhone 14 Plus. That's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Peace.